Welcome, today we're going to show you how to transfer money from your Phantom wallet to a bank account. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to choose a normal wallet that actually transfers to bank account and you know how to transfer from. So I will choose Coinbase. So from here you can just open Coinbase and now you can click on transfer. Now from here you can click on receive crypto. After that, you can copy your address from here. So just make sure that you have selected your right address for the right coin that you want to transfer. After that, go back to Phantom Wallet and choose the coin that you want to transfer. On my case, I choose Solana. You can choose any other coin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, and anything you want. After you do so, you now want to paste the address from Coinbase or the other wallet that you have chosen. Now hit on next and put the amount. After you do so, just hit on next and hit on send. Make sure that everything from here is right. After you do that, go back to Coinbase as you from here and now hit on buy and sell. Now you need to sell the crypto that you have transferred to actual money or cash. So you need to hit on sell for cash and now choose the amount that you want to sell. After you do so, hit on sell now, and now you need to transfer the money from Coinbase to your bank account. So hit on transfer, and from here, choose your wallet. After you do so, now you will be prompted to choose the right bank account that you want to transfer to. So choose your bank account. So that's it. You have transferred your money from Phantom Wallet to your bank account. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.